Bellamy says a lack of game time was behind his decision to leave Aaron Ramsey out of Wales' squad for the upcoming fixtures against Kazakhstan and Canada, while also explaining why Rubin Colwill has been overlooked. Ramsey, at 34, made his first competitive appearance since March when coming off the bench for Puma's Unam on Monday, having been sidelined with a hamstring injury sustained during his second spell at Cardiff City. Colwill, meanwhile, has been in superb early season form as the Bluebirds, but neither player has made the cut for September's doubleheader. On Ramsey, Bellamy said he hasn't played enough football over a period. It wouldn't be fair to call him, travel the distance, the time difference, and then go to Kazakhstan and expect him to play any part after being out for so long. With a hamstring injury, it wouldn't be responsible from us to do that. The Wales boss stressed there remains a clear route back for his skipper, adding that the priority is to build his match fitness. The idea with him is to get him minutes, get training and get back to just playing football. Colwill, at 23, was very close to inclusion according to Bellamy, who praised the forward's progress in League One but admitted he wants to see greater consistency before handing him a call-up. There was better news for uncapped Cardiff duo Lawlor and Ronan Kpakio, both included once again after featuring in the previous camp. Their League One minutes have impressed Bellamy, who highlighted the importance of young players gaining opportunities.
I don't know, with the likes of Ronan and I think of Dylan, I think they were going to get in anyway. No matter what, I think that's their talent. But they're playing men's football. Kean Ashford as well, Rubin, George. Like the more we get, and that's even from other clubs, it's going to benefit us. We're fast tracking them into senior football, and we're going to get the benefit of that.
Wales face Kazakhstan in Astana on Thursday, September 4th, before hosting Canada in Swansea the following Tuesday.